Let's explore combinational circuit analysis, specifically how to analyze existing combinational circuits. This skill involves understanding how to determine the behavior of a combinational logic circuit. Here is a high-level overview of the analysis process. First, identify the circuit components and their connections. Second, derive the Boolean expressions from the circuit diagram. Finally, create a truth table to verify the circuit's behavior. In this slide, let's explore circuit component identification. First, identify the various gate symbols used in the circuit, such as an OR, NAND and NOR gates. Next, trace the input connections to each gate. Then, follow the signal paths through the circuit. Finally, identify the output nodes where the final result of the circuit is produced. Let us understand how to derive Boolean expressions. To begin, start from the circuit inputs and work your way through each gate level. Apply the operation rules for each gate you encounter, such as an or not. Combine these intermediate expressions to form more complex expressions. Ultimately, derive the final output expression that represents the entire circuit's logic. For example, y equals a and b, or with the complement of c. Let's walk through a circuit analysis example. The circuit consists of an AND gate, a NOT gate and an OR gate connected in a specific configuration. The derived Boolean expression for this circuit is y equals a and b, or with c complement. Let's delve into truth table construction. First, list all possible combinations of the input variables. Then, calculate the intermediate terms such as a and b and c complement. Next, apply the Boolean operations. Then, determine the final output for each combination. Finally, verify that the circuit behavior matches the truth table. Let's see what analysis tools and techniques are used. There are simulation tools like logic simulators, timing analysis, waveform viewers, and test pattern generation. Also, there are verification methods like truth table validation, Boolean algebra check, circuit functionality test, and output comparison. Let's summarize the analysis process. Number 1. Identify circuit components and gate types. Number 2. Trace signal paths from inputs to outputs. Number 3. Derive Boolean expressions systematically. Number 4. Construct and verify truth tables. Number 5. Use simulation tools for validation. In conclusion, systematic analysis enables complete understanding of combinational circuit behavior and functionality. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.